The question says solve 5 over 6 divided by 2 over 3. So solution, what we are meant to do is 5 over 6 divided by 2 over 3. This division sign will change to multiplication. That is one of the logic. So 5 over 6 will now change, and as it is changing to multiplication, this 3 at the denominator, it will be going to the numerator, while 2 at the numerator will be coming back to denominator. So it will now be 3 over 2. So I'll multiply it directly. Since it is multiplication, 5 multiplied by 3 divided by 6 multiplied by 2. So what we are going to have is 5 times 3 is 15 over 6 times 2 is 12. So I can take it to the lowest term. So I can use 3. 3 here is 5. 3 here is 4. So that is one whole number 1 over 4. Thank you.